This is my third session for 2020. We started off with our coffee and had some delicious, juicy, wonderful vegetables. But now I'm getting hungry and now I want something more substantial. So I have what I call my Sunday, although most people call them overnight oats, because they're delicious, they're healthy, and they're so easy, and they're very inexpensive. Need a container with a lid, about a third to a half a cup of oats, depending on what you want. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of chia seeds because they're a good source of omega-3s, fiber, and iron. Iron is one element that's missing in many Americans' diet. Now, I'm going to add fruit. This is one way that it could be different every single day. But it's very easy because you keep the fruit frozen. It doesn't go bad on you. It's always there. You can buy it fresh and freeze it yourself at peak of the season, or buy it frozen already chopped, easy to go. The price is really quite good because you have absolutely no waste. My favorite is the berries, mixed berries. These are blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries. They are delicious. You can have as many of those as you want. Now, to give it a little more flavor, I have some nuts, also high in fiber, good healthy oils, no cholesterol, and I'm going to cover it with milk. Now you choose the milk that you want, whether it's regular dairy milk, hemp milk, or almond milk. That's all you have to do. But to top it off, to just give it a little something special, I add a tablespoon or two of granola. It has all the benefits of the oatmeal because that's the main primary add. It adds a little crunch and a little sweetness, but still in the very healthy range. All you have to do is put that in the refrigerator. Tomorrow when you go off to work, grab it, you got it to go, and you're ready. It's easy. In fact, it's absolutely a snap.